Hi, in this set we are given all the first year students in the computer science department in a university take both these courses AI and ML, and students from other departments which are collectively called non-CS students can also take one of these two courses but not both. So CS students have to take both these courses, but non-CS students can take exactly one of these two courses. They cannot take both these courses. Okay. Now, students who fail in a course get an F grade, fail grade. Others pass and are awarded A or B or C grades depending on their performance. The following are some additional facts about the number of students who took these two courses this year and the grades that they obtained. ठीक है. So, we basically have to categorize students as CS, non-CS students, and within that we have students doing AI as well as ML courses. ठीक है. The first thing is the number of non-CS students who took AI and ML were in the ratio of 2:5. So the total non-CS students taking AI and ML are in the ratio of 2:5. So let's say this is 2x and this will be 5x. So total how many non-CS students are there who took these courses? 7x. Okay, fine. Next. The number of non-CS students who took either AI or ML was equal to the number of CS students. Okay, so non-CS students who took AI or ML was same as the number of CS students, right? So this is 7x. Now if this is 7x and we know CS students have to take both these courses, that means the total CS students taking AI is 7x and total students taking ML is also 7x, right? This does not mean that there are 14x students. Students are 7x. All these students take AI and all these students take ML as well. Okay? But these 2x are different from these 5x. Non-CS students cannot take both these courses. है ना? Next point. The number of non-CS students who failed in the two courses were the same and their total is equal to number of CS students who got a C grade in ML. Okay. Non-CS students who failed in the two courses, this course and this course, is same. Okay, so if this is, let's say, F, this is also F, and this number and their total, okay, so the total is 2F now, the total is 2F. 2F is equal to the number of CS students who got a C grade in ML. So CS students getting a C grade in ML is this. So this is equal to the sum of these two, which is 2F. So this is equal to 2F. Okay. Next. In both these courses, 50% of the students who passed got a B grade, while the number of students who got A and C grades was the same for AI. They were in the ratio of 3:2 for ML. This point, let's come back to this point again. The exact information for this is not known. So we'll come back to this point again. We'll hold this point for a while. Let's look at the next point. No CS student failed in AI. Okay, great. So CS students failing in AI is none. So this is 0, cross as in 0, and no non-CS student got an A grade in AI. Non-CS students getting A grade in AI is 0, so this is also 0. Cross means 0. Check. Next, the number of CS students who got A, B and C grades respectively in AI were in the ratio of 3:5:2. So these students getting grade A, B and C in AI, CS students getting A, B, C grade in AI is in the ratio of 3:5:2. So let's say this is A, 3A, this is 5A and this is 2A. Okay. And the sum of these four values should be equal to 7x. So this is 0. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. So 10 into A should be equal to 7x. Fine. So we'll see when do we use that. And the next it is given that while in ML this ratio is 4:5:2. Which ratio? Students getting grade A, B, C are in the ratio of 4:5:2. So if this is 4, this is 5, this is 2. So this is equivalent to 2F, 2 is equivalent to 2F, so this must be equivalent to 5F and this must be equivalent to 4F. Okay. So we have the number of students getting ABC grade in ML is 4F, 5F and 2F. So sum here is 11F. So 7x should also be equal to 11F. Okay. Oh, sorry, no. The sum of all these should be 7x and not just these three. I made a mistake, so we'll come back to this again. Sum of these four should be 7x. ठीक है. Next, the ratio of total number of non-CS students failing in one of the two courses. Okay, so these two non-CS students failing in in the two courses is 2f. So ratio of this number and to the number of CS students failing in one of the two courses. So CS students failing in one of the two courses, this is 0. Let's say this is P. Okay, so 0 plus P is P. So ratio of non-CS students failing to the ratio of CS students failing is 3:1. Okay, so from here 2f is equal to 3p, or p is equal to 2f by 3. So this p here is 2f by 3. Okay, fine. Next is 30 students failed in ML. So total number of students failing in ML is 30. So what this effectively means is students failing in CS students failing in ML and non-CS students failing in ML. The total here is 30. So 2f by 3 plus f is 30. Okay, so we have 3f plus 2, 5f by 3 is 30. So from here f comes out to be 30 goes by 5, 6 into 3 is 18. Great. So f here is 18. So instead of f, let's substitute 18. This is 18. So twice of 18 is 36. 36 by 3 is 12. 18 into 2 is 36. 18 into 5 is 90. And 4 times of 18 is 72. Okay. So now we know all these students. What is the sum of all these students? Let's see. 72 plus 92 is 162. 36 plus 12 is 48. 162 plus 48 is 210. So 7x is here equal to 210. 7x is 210. Hence x here comes out to be how much? 30. X is 30. So putting x equals to 30 here, this becomes 210. This also becomes 210. And now 210 is equal to 10 into a. Right? So a comes out to be 21. So substituting a value here, thrice of 21 is 63. 5 times of 21 is 105. And twice of 21 is 42. Okay? Again substituting the value of x here, this becomes 60. And this becomes 3 times of 30 is, sorry, 5 times of 30 is 150. Okay? So you're done with almost every point except this one. Now let's come back to this point. What is this point? This point says in both these courses 50% of the students who passed got a B grade. Okay. So in AI as well as in ML, the number of students getting B grade is 50% of the total passing. So total how many students are then in AI? 210 CS students plus 60 non-CS students. So 270 students are there in AI. Out of which how many are failing? 0 plus 18. So total 18 are failing. So how many students passed? 252 have passed. Okay. And out of these passed, 50% of the students will get a B grade. Okay. So 50% of the students will be effectively 126 students got a B grade in AI, right? Now if 126 students get a B grade in AI, what should be this number here? This 105 plus this number should be 126. So this number here comes out to be 21, right? Now if this number is 21, what about this number for C? C grade in AI. Sum of all these should be 60, right? So 21 plus 18 is 39. So this number will be 60 minus 39, which is 21. And similarly for ML also, 50% of the students who passed got a B grade. So how many students are there in ML? 210 plus 150, right? So we have total 360 students, out of which 12 plus 18, 30 students have failed. So how many have passed? 330 have passed, okay? Out of this 330, 50% will get a B grade. So 50% of 330 is 165. So 165 students get B grade in ML. So out of this 165, this is 90. So this number should be 165 minus 90, which is 75. So 75 students get a B grade in ML non-CS students. Fine. Now we don't know these two values. So let's say this is A. So what will be this value? This should be the sum of all these three values should be 150. So we have 75, 150 minus 75 is 75, 75 minus 18 is 57. So sum of these two should be 57. If this is A, this should be 57 minus A. Fine. And now the last piece of information that we have is, while the number of students who got A and C grades were the same for AI. Okay, is it so? For AI, the number of students getting A grade is 63 and the number of students getting C grade is also 63. Okay, even if this information wasn't given, we could have managed without it. This was already known to us. So this is correct. So far, that pretty much means that we are solving it correctly. So the number of students who got A and C grades were the same in both these courses together, in both these CS and non-CS students, while the number of students who got A and C grade were in the ratio of 3:2 for ML. So for ML, the number of students getting A grade and C grade are in the ratio of 3:2. So how many students get A grade in ML? 72 plus A. And how many students get C grade in ML? 36 plus 57 minus A. So 36 plus 57 is 93 minus A. Okay. So let us solve for it now. Thrice of 93 minus A is 279 minus 3A is equal to twice of 72 into A is 144 plus 2A. So we have 279 minus 144 is 155, which is equal to 5A. So this effectively, sorry, this should be 135, right? So 135 is 5A. So A comes out to be 27. The value of A is 27. So from here, if A is 27, this value will be 57 minus 27, which is 30. And this completes the whole table for us, right? Now let us look at the questions. First question is, how many students took AI course? So AI course, 210 CS students took it, plus 60 non-CS students took it. So 210 plus 60 is 270. So the answer will be option D. Okay. Next, how many CS students failed in ML? Okay, so CS students failing in ML is 12. So the answer here should be 12. Next, how many non-CS students got A grade in ML? Non-CS students getting A grade in ML. Non-CS students A grade in ML is 27. So the answer here is 27. Next, how many students got A grade in AI? Okay, so no one from non-CS got a A grade in AI. Only 63 CS students got A grade in AI. So the answer here will be option B, 63. And last question, how many non-CS students got B grade in ML? Okay, so non-CS students B grade in ML, this number is 75. Option A is the right answer here, right? So, okay, so if we had not calculated these two values, it wouldn't have mattered, right? We did not require it anywhere. So it's okay. If we calculated, that's fine. If we wouldn't have calculated, that would have also made no difference. So that's it for this set. Thank you.